Didn't you do your business, Vic? I think you'll find that it is my business. I was doing my little muscle man act. Yeah? But it would be a little muscle man if you were doing it, wouldn't it? What next? Not me. Me little muscle man puppet, Michael, win a puppet. Oh, I'm sorry. How was it going? Well, it was going all right till you came on with your squeaking Tony wheel. All right, I'm sorry, all right. What are you doing here anyway? Vic, I'm building a little private area, a little sanctuary away from you. We're doing my own private business, you know. Not up you bothering me. What? What, like a church? Yeah, that's it, yeah. Like a church, yeah. Saint necessarily so, that's it, yeah, church. The first commandment of this particular church, Vic, is thou shalt not commit publicly on or near the premises, so clear off. I don't want to go like your puppety. No, it's a church, all right. You haven't have you turned it yet? No. Oh, flies down here. Come on, carry on. Well, will you keep it down? I will do. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Back again. Yes. Sorry, here we go again.
Yes, the gorgeous sandy-coloured Labrador. I'm cooking a special anniversary meal for my wife tonight.
Right. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. No. You cannot give a baby booze! We got a fag for the baby then. I haven't got a fag for the baby! Well, all baby's got a fag. That is not a baby, it is Michael Bloody Wagger! Oh, that's attitude, I'll get the old money to booze then. No worries, for winning dinners!